off. 3, 4, 5, hands, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, plus, off. Next. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Left side. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now right side. 6, 7, 8. Now left side. 7, 6, 5, 4. Right side. 3 plus all. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3 plus all. Okay, next slide. Seven, 8. Again left leg. 8, 7, 6, 5. Again right leg. 4, 3 plus all.
Good morning to everyone. Today's open riddles based on science is brought to you by Hasini of grade 5. First one. Many have heard it, but nobody have ever seen it. It will not speak back unless spoken to. What is it? I repeat it. Many have heard it, but nobody has ever seen it. It will not speak back unless spoken to. What is it? That is wrong answer. The correct answer is an echo. Echo. Secondly, give me food and I will live. Give me water and I will die. What am I?
Plants. Fire.
Yes, the correct answer is fire. Third one. I am hard like stone, but you can't find me on body. What am I? The correct answer is teeth. Let us appreciate her. That's all for today. Hello everyone. Today's facts about science is brought to you by Shivamani from grade 5. The human stomach can dissolve razor. A laser can get trapped in water. Hence, oxygen is produced by the ocean. Rats laugh when they are titled. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a good day. Good morning, everyone. Today's weather report brought to you by Sai Gauri of Grade 5. Maximum temperature 28 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature 21 degrees Celsius. Mostly cloudy. That's the end of the weather report. Thank you. Have a good day. Good morning to everyone. Today's word is brought to you by G. Lakshmi Vaishali of Grade 5. The word is courage. It spells as C-O-U-R-A-G-E. It means the ability to do something that frightens one or bravery. Example, Ram fought this with great courage. Friends, please spell after me. Courage. It spells as C-O-U-R-A-G-E. Courage. Thank you. Have a good day. Good morning, everyone. Today's thought is brought to you by Sakino from Grade 5. Efforts and courage are not enough without purpose and direction. I repeat it again. Efforts and courage are not enough without purpose and direction. Thank you. Have a good day.
Today's international news and national news are brought to you by Draushik of Grade 5. International news. Coronavirus cases declining everywhere except Europe. The number of weekly COVID-19 deaths fell by about 4% worldwide and declined in every region except Europe. National news. Post-COVID carelessness can harm the heart, said by cardiologists. Thank you. That's the end of today's. My friend will continue the rest. Thank you.
India is my country.
All Indians are
All Indians are
my brothers and sisters.
my brothers and sisters.
I love my country
I love my country
and I am
and I am
proud of its
proud of its
rich and varied heritage.
rich and varied heritage.
I shall always try to be worthy of it.
Worthy of it.
I shall give my parents,
I shall give my parents,
teachers,
teachers,
and all elders
and all elders
respect
respect